Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial how to design 12mm pipe mounting bracket. Okay, I will create a new 3D project. You can click here. Next, I will change name into pipe bracket. I will change workspace into 500 and then for segment 5. You can click create. We're waiting for creating a project. And next I will use 3D SCAD. You can click drawings and click 3D SCAD. You can click at the top point and then you can change into precision settings in here. We can active this guard vertex. Okay, I will use 2-point arcs. Okay, you can click in here 2-point arcs command and I will start from this point. You can click in here, move to the right here 15mm and move to the top 7,5 and enter. Okay, we can create a line object. I will create line start from this point into this point, move to the right, to the left and move to the bottom here 1 and enter. You can close. Next we create a line from this point to the bottom, to the right, move to the bottom 1 and enter. I will uncheck this guard vertex and then you can connect into this line object. You can close and we already create this simple to the scale. You can use the move command and move this object into center point. You can click at this point. Okay, I will use a copy command and next we click this icon again. You can move in the axis with height 5 and you can close. Okay, we already create this two object. And I will convert these two objects into 3D models by using a loop command. You can select these two objects and click tools, click loop. It will be converted into 3D models and you can click OK to apply. Okay, now I will select this object and next you can click polygon option. I will select this face. Okay, and next we can select at the bottom here, this face. Next you can delete this object. You can click yes to delete. Okay, the object already deleted. And then I will use add thickness into this object. You can uncheck this polygon and we can click this modify and click add the thickness. Okay, I will add the thickness with height 0,5 and you can click preview. Okay, this is 0,5 and you can click OK to apply. I will select this object and then you can move to the bottom 1. Okay, you can click move command and then change in here for y axis into 4. You can click close and I will select this two object again, this two scap, and we can use the loop command to convert into 3D models. Okay, now you can click apply and we move again this object in y axis 0,5. Okay, and then you can close. Next we can select these two objects and then we can combine these two objects. You can click stitch and scope and then you can click this union command. Okay, and you can click apply to combine. Okay, we already create this simple 3D models. And next to create hole we can create a cylinder object. Okay, I will click 3D shape and click cylinder. In here for top radius I will set it to 6, bottom radius 6, okay, and height 10. You can click OK to apply. And then I will change into top view. You can zoom in. Okay, we can use the move command to move this object. Okay, I will move in Z axis into -2 and you can close. Next we can select these two objects. Okay, you can select these two objects, this object with this object, and next we can use subtract command. You can click stethoscope and click a subtract command. We subtract with a cylinder object and you can click in here and click apply to subtract. Okay, we already create hole in this point. So I will create again hole at this point. We can create new cylinder objects. For top radius, I will set into 1 and bottom radius 1. You can click OK to apply. I will rotate this object in right axis. Okay, in right axis in here, X, I will rotate 90 degree. Okay, and next you can close. You can use align command to move this object into this different ones object. You can click utilities, click align. Okay, I will change girth into different one, and then I will set into middle. Next we can move into left. Okay, it will be moved into left, and I will change into top view. Okay, next you can close, and I will move this object to the right. You can click move command. I will move in right axis in here. Okay, I will set into minus 10,5. Okay, 10,5, and then I will copy this object. You can click copy. We move again in right axis. Okay, you can click here to move. We move with this 10,5. We can move this two-cylinder object. I will move in blue axis into this point. Next, I will select these three objects, and then I will use subtract command to subtract different object with this two-cylinder object, and then you can click apply to subtract. Okay, now we already create hole at this point. You can select this SCAD, and then you can delete. Okay. Now I will rotate this object. Okay, you can click rotate. I will rotate in right axis. Okay, with angle 270 degree. And now we already create this simple 3D models 12mm pipe mounting bracket with SelfCAD software. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video. And see you next time in another SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial.